In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a problem with a new sump pump. I just replaced this sump pump about a month and a half ago and I'm already having problems with it sticking. The float on the pump isn't rubbing on any sides or anything, the wire's not in its way, so why is it sticking? The problem with this sump pump is the handle is not allowing the float to come up all the way, and it's just enough to where it's causing it to stick. Now if I come down here and just tap on it, the pump will start working again. So what I'm going to do to fix this problem is remove the metal guard and the handle. This particular pump is a Campbell Hausfeld, and all you have to do to remove the handle is remove 2 screws, and they are located right on the top of the pump. Once I remove the screws, all I have to do is lift the bracket and the handle. Now there's nothing in the way of the float and it should operate just fine. There's no need for the handle. You're not going to be pulling it in and out of the pit. Once you lower it in, you can get rid of it. As you can see here, nothing's in the way of the float and it works fine.